Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. I just finished recording my fall manicure, so I'm sure that video will be up before this one. Make sure you check it out. But I'm getting ready to go to a concert.
It's actually Vlogtober, not Vlogmas.
Dang it! Vlogtober. Yeah, he did call me out. But I'm getting ready to go to a concert. I have been wanting to go to this concert for a while. I looked for tickets and it was sold out for my city. I live in Charlotte. It was sold out for Charlotte. And I was looking to see if they would open up more seats or if people were selling tickets, to no avail. So I had written off going to the concert. So yesterday I'm in car line with Harper and EJ says, I have a surprise for you. I got you tickets to the CeCe Winans concert tomorrow. And I was literally speechless. I had no words. I did not know what to say. I was in shock that he had done this, but also not in shock because it's such an EJ thing to do. So I'm getting ready for the concert. We're about to leave in 45 minutes. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom and get my makeup done. I have my outfit picked out. I think this is what I'm gonna wear. I just don't know what shoes. All of this is Kalana Barfield Future Collective. I did my haul. I need to do a styling video. I said I was gonna do that in Vlogtober. Maybe I'll save it for the end once I've worn all the stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna be in here getting ready. I think I'm gonna keep my hair like this. I've been loving this side ponytail, and then just probably lay my edges, and that'll be it. But when I come back, I'll be dressed and I'll take you out to the concert with me. We're here to see CeCe, Priscilla Love.
I'd say there's no woman on this year. Happy birthday! It's a Friday.
All right, I want to go down to look at the merch.
Okay, I'll say your seat. Hope I don't get beat up.
Oh, okay. My stuff is right there.
They got snacks or something.
Okay.
Come and quench this thirsting in my fire. Fall on us. Fire, fire. Just to be close to you. Awesome, you're awesome. I hope you're having a good time. You may be seated in this presence. Woo! Thank you so much for coming to worship with me tonight. It means so much. How many of you guys knew all the songs that they just got through singing? How many of you all have been with me since BB and CeCe? Since we were at PTL. So I'm not the only one getting old out here, huh? Wow, amazing. For those of you who don't know, I'm honored to be back in Charlotte, North Carolina, because it's not where it all began, but it's where my public ministry began. BB and I, my brother, for those of you who don't know, I come from a family named the Winans. Mom and dad both sang. And my dad has gone on to be with the Lord, but my mom is still with us, praise the Lord. Amen. And my father was the only child. My mom had one sister. They came together and had 10 children. I guess they said we will never be alone. They had 7 boys straight. I was the first girl. BB was the last boy, and I was the first girl. I had 2 younger sisters. And that makes up the Winans family. We all sang. And, yes. Thank you.
Praise the Lord, Queen
concert was amazing. Everything I needed and wanted and more.
Sorry. We look like you about to go.
CeCe
Play in the snow.
is that girl. And today was her birthday. Oh, it was such a good concert. It was so fun. It was a little at the beginning because they oversold the concert. They didn't say that, but we could tell.
Yeah.
And they had people squeezing in. They had to bring chairs and stuff. But I had a seat. But yeah, it was a really good concert. We're about to go get something to eat. Don't know where from, but it's an adventure. Let's go find out.